Hello and welcome to the Prospecti Investor Acquisition Network. So I'll start off by saying congratulations and how excited we are to have you on board. It is truly an amazing experience to be able to help people grow and add value to their business. And as we are super passionate about turning prospects into actual real estate investors. So no matter what type of investor you're looking for, we can assure you that we will deliver. And hopefully this is the start of a long-lasting partnership that we can develop to keep your firm thriving and solving one of the biggest issues that a lot of firms do struggle with, which is client acquisition. And so in this video, I'll go more into detail about the things that you can do to make sure that we are going to be able to give you the best results possible, okay? So first off, I'll start out with some expectations. The ones that you should have of us and what we expect off of you. So with these wonderful, amazing systems that we build, things do take time. And with everything that is successful, you of all people probably know that something great isn't built in a day. Okay? And with us, you're essentially skipping months and months of testing, learning, and action to actually be able to solve the problem and crack the code of cold outbound outreach, which is what we're doing. So we have already cracked the code and we just need to do that for you too, using the same framework, the same experience that we do have from the past. And when we have done that for you, we're going to be able to do all of the work, spend the time that it actually takes to manage this, and keep delivering results for you. So as you know, we have the 90-day result guarantee, which we'll explain later down the line. And we encourage you to set your expectations in terms of results based on that guarantee, because that'll just make the first quarter of working with us so much more relaxing and trustworthy for both you and for us. So back to onboarding, and this is what we expect of you, and this is super important. So the most important thing that you can do is to make sure that the onboarding form you are going to fill out later is filled out in as much detail as possible, and I'll explain why. So when we're actually writing campaigns and building these systems, the most crucial aspect that a lot of people underestimate is what we know about you and what we know about the prospects that you want as your clients. And so for us to really be able to deep dive into the psychology and the mind of the people that we are going to reach out to, and that we're going to use words to make them want to invest in your real estate, it is highly important that we know as much as possible about you and the ideal customer profile that you'll be targeting. Okay? And so to put that into context, we do already know what we know from previous experience, but no one is going to give us a better start than you can. So please spend some time when giving us your information, your content, previous experiences with clients, sales calls, your business model, the structure of your firm, anything that could help us understand you better, as well as your customer base better. Okay? And so with that said, let's get right into it. On the right side of the screen, there should be a form for you to fill out your personal contact information. When you submit that, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll start the onboarding process. And so that's it for this video. The Prospecti team is ready to get you some clients. And so let's get going.